How's Kate? How are you? How are you? Good girl. Good girl. Good Kate. Yeah. You're good Kate. You're good Kate. Today we are installing a fire line in another tract of timber. It's actually close to my house, and the second part of this is pretty cool. Is we're actually putting in a ATV trail at the same time for my son who loves riding four-wheelers, and it gives us access to other parts of the property that we didn't have before. So that's kind of cool. I've always wanted to do it, but I just have not had the opportunity yet to do it. So now I'm taking advantage of putting in this fire line, and I'm gonna use it for running ATVs up and down it also. That'd be awesome. and sometimes this happens, especially when you are on uneven terrain with very rough conditions. You will throw a track, and it looks like right here the back idler has come out of the center of the track, or the track has come out of this idler, however you want to look at it. I hope that I can pick the machine up and go in reverse, and hopefully it'll find its way back in place. But I don't know if that's going to happen. I am in a place I probably shouldn't be. What happened is I was trying to come up this incline. This is pretty steep, and I hit that. I hit this piece right here. I tried pushing it out of the way, and it ended up not moving as I was going, and I started sliding backwards into that tree, and I just gunned it, and yeah, well, that didn't work. I'm trying to cut in some fire lines in this standing timber here. We did some TSI in here a few years ago, and it is thick, and it's hard to run a fire through it when it is this thick. Okay, so I've got to get a block of wood or two to throw underneath the back of the machine, and then pick up the machine, which then I'll pick up the machine with the brush hog, and it'll pick up the back of it when I put the blocks in the back, and it'll actually pick the track up off the ground, and hopefully I can reverse it without having to take all of the grease out of the tensioner, which is, if I do, I do. Not my first rodeo. I'm just glad I'm close to the house. Right there's the house. Because usually if I'm knocking tracks off, it's in the middle of nowhere, way off the hill. All right, so I got a few blocks for my father-in-law. He had 2 railroad tie blocks laying at the shed, and I'm going to run down here and hopefully be able to get this track back on by myself. But I doubt it. It's probably going to be a 2-man job with pry bars and letting grease out of the tensioner for the track, more than likely, but who knows. The things I do for farming, actually this is more forest health and making timber better. Well, hello, Kate. Come on, you can come with us. Yeah, you can come down here and play. I knew it was going to happen, but I was hoping it wasn't. Throwing a track. Where are you going, Kate? You wanting to play? You're a little slicker than you thought, huh? What are you looking for? What do you find? What's in there? What is it? What is it? What is it? All right. Okay, I'm going to set this down, and Kate, I'm going to set this camera down, and we're going to try to get this thing back together. Oh, you're such a good girl. You're such a good girl. Yeah. All right. Well, unfortunately, it did not go on its own. As you can see, it's still out of place. These two pieces, that piece of metal, needs to be in between here, not over there. So now I have to remove these two bolts, or at least one of them, loosen the other one, and this plate will fall down. And there is a grease fitting in there that will release the tension of the track, and hopefully we can pull it back over. Right, Kate? Huh? Yeah. We'll get it back over where it goes so we can keep going. Huh? Yeah. Okay. Oh. Go ahead. Oh. Don't look all under here. Kate, what are you doing? She wants to ride on the brush hog. Look. She wants to ride. It's crazy. Try to cut this broken tree down. Oh boy, I hope he hit a rock. That's not good. That'll mess up a chain. Right now he's doing a bore cut. I don't know if he... Oh, Kate, get back.